Hi, I'm Philippa and I would like to introduce you to a boot that you might never have heard of or realised you actually needed. Welcome to Talolo Boots, our funky cowboy style wellies. So here we have a wellie made of rubber, fully biodegradable rubber, fully cotton lined, Cuban heel, soft, gel-like, so they're actually really comfortable. These boots are super stylish and can be worn just about anywhere. Dress them up, dress them down, wear them when you are wanting to go out and not trash a decent pair of boots. Fun floral prints, our wonderful Aztec funky boots for festivals and things, and then we've got our smart urban croc. You can see there's a croc effect. Look at it from here. You wouldn't even realise that's a wellie. You could wear this in Knightsbridge and you could wear them at Glastonbury. Paisley, dress this up, dress this down, take it to the races. No one knows these are wellies. And then we have a couple of little ankle boots. That's our boho chocolate brown croc effect. And we have our leopard print. Now the catwalks are all full of wellies at the moment. They're full of cowboy boots and of course animal prints. We've got the whole lot rolled into one. What is not to love? And of course they make a perfect present. Go and check them out on our website.